Today we will solve Renan Martin's exercise in composition 90. This is a preparation exercise. So I will request you to take a exercise book and write down your answer, then check with my answer. The first, silkworms feed dash mulberry trees. Feed on. Pavola excels dash dancing. Excel in dancing. The wild boar abounds dash some parts of Europe. Abounds in. He has no special liking dash mathematics. Liking for. Ashoka is worthy dash remembrance, worthy of. The godown is infested dash rats. Infested with. There is no exception dash this rule. Exception to. Nothing conduces happiness so much as contentment. Conduces to. Please subscribe my channel, Make English Easy. Okay, number 9. Alcohol is injurious dash health. Injurious to health. Oil is good dash burns. Oil is good for burns. Invalids are not capable dash continued exertion. Capable very easy of. British Parliament number 12. British Parliament composed dash two houses. Composed of. Number 13. Do not confide your secrets dash everyone. Confide to. Okay. Next. He is abstemious dash his habits. Abstemious in. Abstemious means porimit. Okay. Number 15. He is ignorant dash what he pretends to know. Ignorant of. Number 16. My brother is weak dash mathematics. Weak in. Okay, next. He has concept and aversion dash all kinds of profitable level. Aversion to. Birbal is celebrated dash is witty saying. Celebrated for. The avaricious man is greedy dash gain. Greedy of. OF. Next. The Atlantic separates Europe dash America. Europe from America. Okay, from America. Adam assigned dash every creature a name peculiar dash its nature. Assigned to. Peculiar in. Okay. Temperance and employment are conducive. Very easy. Conducive to health. A brave boy rescued the child dash danger from rescued from. Industry is the key dash success. Key to success. Number 25. The customs were searching dash drug in the airport. Searching for. Number 26. Elizabeth knew how to inspire her soldier dash hope. Inspired with hope. Number 27. Long indulgence dash vice impaired his once robust constitution. Indulgence in. Early rising is beneficial. Early rising is beneficial dash health. Beneficial to health. 29. We should live in a style suited dash our condition. Suited to our condition. Number 30. Examinations act as an incentive dash diligent. Diligence means hard working. Okay, diligence means synonym. Diligence means hard working. Write it down. Incentive to, very important. Diligence, hard working. Hard work and perseverance are indispensable dash success in life. Indispensable to. Number 32. He is too miserly to part his money. Part with. Remember one thing. Part with something. Part from someone. Part from someone. Part from someone means किसी से बिछड़ना. Okay. Part किसी से बिछड़ना. Part from someone. Part with something. Okay. Number 33. Very important. He is a clever man, but unfortunately diffident dash his powers. Diffident of. Number 34. Suddenly we were enveloped dash dense fog. Enveloped in. Number 35. Many aspire dash greatness, but few attained. Aspire to. Next, 36. His income is not adequate dash his wants. Adequate to. Next, 37. The soil of Pune is favorable dash roses. Favorable to. I am sick dash whole business. I am sick dash the whole business. Sick of. Next, a car will be a great convenience dash a busy man like him. Convenience to. Whoever acts contrary then dash nature does not go unpunished. Contrary to. The accident resulted dash the death of 5 people. Resulted in. These derelict houses reproach dash the city. Okay, reproach has two different meanings. One is for blemish, kalank. Another one is censure, ninda. So, in 42 and 43, two reproach uses have been made. First one is the derelict house. Derelict means the old. Okay. old shabby houses, okay, are reproach dash city, reproach here in the city, okay. City ka kalank. Number 43, the German were called baby killers and their method of warfare stigmatized a reproach dash civilization. Reproach here, reproach has been used as censure, censure to civilization. In 42, reproach has been used as blemish, blemish in the city. Number 44, the mole was partly relieved dash of load, relieved of load. Number 45, America has raised a tariff wall to protect home industries dash foreign competition. America has raised a tariff wall to protect home industries dash foreign competition. Protect from, okay, protect from foreign competition. Number 46, the facts point dash a different conclusion. Point 2. Number 47, your wish is tantamount dash a command, tantamount to very important. Number 48, this state is committed dash the policy of total provision, committed to. Number 49, one is sure what one is sure of. The last one, he is indifferent alike. He is indifferent alike, praise and blame, alike too. So here are two very important. This is the one first one, part 32, remember, part with something. Here part with money, okay, part with something, part from someone. Okay, one example, when he parted from his mother, there were tears in his eyes, okay. And next, very important, 42 and 43, reproach. In the 42, these derelict houses are reproach in the city. Here reproach has been used to signify blemish or to mean blemish. In 43, reproach has been used to mean censure, censure means ninda, okay. The German were baby killers and their method of warfare stigmatized as a reproach dash to civilization, to censure to civilization. Okay, that's all.